Okay. Fine. So today class and object. So last class I told you what is a structural level oriented programming language and all. And then we have started this. If you have remember, the photo address looks like this one. I discussed about some class and all. Correct? See, I taught you till here. Like class is the extended version of a structural or procedural oriented programming language. What is a structural or procedural? Where all procedure methods will be defined globally in C++, and we are not sure whether this method belonging to this variable only, this class only, this structure only. For that reason, class comes into picture, and here we can bind the data and behavior together. Class means what? Which binds the data and behavior together. So here class equal to I have written data plus behavior. And we have written class is extended version of structural procedural oriented programming language. The first definition I told you, class is equal to data plus behavior. Class means which binds the data and behavior together. That is class. It is extended version of structural procedural oriented programming language. Right. Now, see here, what is data and what is behavior here? What is data, what is behavior? In this class, what is data and what is behavior? Can anyone tell me? First.
Mobile data and address is the data, sleeping well is the behavior.
Very nice. Perfect. So this student 2 is binding mobile address and sleep bell together. Right? So now next definition of class. See here. Next definition. So class is a blueprint or template of an object. What do you understand by that? Class is a blueprint or template of an object. So this is the definition we see. This is a blueprint, template, or pattern of an object. Means it gives you the logical representation. Let's say I am saying students are studying in the class. Students are studying. So you got to know a student is a common name. They are studying, and yeah. So class is a blueprint or template of an object. It means that it is having one skeleton. It is not real. It represents real. It's just like a shadow. What is this? This is just like a shadow. What is this? This is just like a shadow. Like if you are walking on the road. So your shadow is a blueprint of yours. You are object and shadow is a blueprint, one template. Understood? Walking, a person walking on road like that. A person walking on road. So person is a class, or you can say shadow is a class. Person is object, like that. Just for understanding, I'm saying this. Person is an object. So what does it mean? It means that there, by creating a class is just a logical representation. You can say class is a logical representation of an object. Class is logical representation of an object. Class is a logical representation of an object. What does it mean? Because it's a blueprinted template. Let's say you are going to police station and you are telling one person has hit me. Now the police, he will get some idea. Okay, person means some human being is there who has hit him, who has hit him, right? Who has thrown some stone on him or something he disturbed. For that reason, he has come to lodge the complaint. So he's getting some one logical idea, right? He's not getting check the person name, his height, his weight, what he's doing, from where he is. So that is called real existence. But only he's saying one person is has thrown something or he has beaten me. Then he's getting a logical representation of that person, and based on that, he's lodging the complaint. That's why class is a logical representation of an object. Now in the program also, let's say if you are writing class, let's say person, I'm creating class person. So here, let's say this is public static void main. This is my method. Here, well, this is one class and this is another class. Let's say this name you give class main class. Class main class. And class here I'm writing, let's say class, any name I am giving, let's say class Isha. Now you see, we'll stop next time. By 7:45, 12 or 13 guys will join. And I am shifting you people in 8 o'clock by in this week. Two days I will manage this because there I am started class object and then it will be okay. You all can join on time. So here, this is my program. In this program, you see here, let's say I have written int age. Now, this class will not get loaded into memory. It is just a blueprint, one template in your program, unless and until you create an object of this class. So this represents a logical representation of an object. It is just like a blueprint. Means okay, data is there. Blueprint means okay, class is there means it will have some data. It may have some behavior. Why at play? Right. So this is just a blueprint. It does not have any importance unless until you create an object for this class. You load this class. Okay. So from today, you people remember loading and unloading. Loaded means this all data will go inside the memory. Without loading, the class does not have any importance. It is just lying in the program. It's a simple, it's a blueprint, one template. Guys, every day by 7:30 I will not able to accept you. I will not be able to accepting all the request. Again and again I am telling you, only 2 days is pending. Today and tomorrow. Today is Thursday, I think so, right? Yeah. Till tomorrow I will try to complete this class and object. And then I will pull you all guys in the 8 o'clock batch. So you people are, so now this is 7:30. Some people will join by 7:45. Some people will join by 7:55. I am already late. I am like 7:10 almost I have joined. Every day I will do like that. So people will come or everyone will come at a time. But today also same thing. Right. Now class is a integer. So did you understand what is class? Everyone? Hello? Guys? Did you
Yes.
understand the class concept?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now syntax for creating a class. Kavita, you have joined? Kavita is there?
Yes, Chandan.
You have you joined?
Yes.
Okay. Now syntax for creating a class. Syntax for creating the class. What is syntax to create a class? Here we write modifiers. Here we write class. This is class name. So here class name. And here these are the members of the class. Maybe variables. See, 7:32. Now someone came. Don't know who has come. Who has joined now? Okay. Yeah. So here this is the syntax for creating a class. Here variables will be there. Inside this methods can be there. Inside this constructor can be there. Inside this blocks can be there. Enums. So this is the syntax for class. Here close this class. So here what is modifiers? I didn't. So modifiers I will teach you. Modifiers means it is optional. It is optional. Means you can give also, you cannot give also. If you will give also, no error. If you will not give also, no error. So it's optional as per requirement. So because I didn't teach you modifiers, I will teach you later. So that's why it's a optional. Now class. Class is a keyword. It is a keyword. It's a keyword. and mandatory. You must write class. Class name, class name is a user defined. Class name is a user defined. Means the name and mandatory. The name given by the user. This name who is giving? See here. This name who is giving? This is given by us. So it is user defined. Right? So you can write variables method. This is the syntax for creating class. Is it clear? Everyone? Guys? This is how we can create a class. So we should write modifiers, but it is optional and we don't know modifier, so we will not writing the class. Then you should write class and class name. Both are mandatory. Class is a keyword means what? Predefined word. Class name and then variable method constructor blocks. Now this is how we can create a class, right? So class name you give anything. Let's say class name, hello, or give a student. Modifiers I'm not using now. We'll use it later. And here you can give variable. You can give another variable. You can give behavior, right? Correct. Method. So see class. This is a syntax class name. These are the variables. These are the behaviors, methods. What all other things we can write? We can write blocks. We can write constructor inside this. So we will learn what all this. Then only we'll do that. Okay. Now this is the one. Now next one. Object. And see, in a program, this is just like a blueprint, template. It does not have any importance. Let's say I have a main method class. In this same program, class college. And we have a main method class. Here. Public static void main. Right? So here, and you are saving this program. Like let's say I'm writing dot out dot println. Hello. Main. So what output you will get from this program? What output you will get this from program? Let's say this is your program. As for now, you understood class and control C. Let's go here. Let's save this program. Where I am saving? Morning batch. Method variable. Okay, desktop Java program. 8 a.m. morning batch. 7 a.m. batch. So here, let me save this. college college.java. Yeah. So now, if you will execute this program, what output you will get?
Hello main.
And what about age and 30? Age equal to 30, name equal to, let's say, something. Test API. Will you get output age and name?
Hello main, we will get.
Main we will get. How? Hmm? So here we will get the output only main. Oh, hello main. And what about this one? This is just simply slipping in the program. He is just like a blueprint, one template. Class means just data and behavior. That's it. He does not, this student does not have any importance because it is not loaded into memory. Why it is not loaded memory? Because it's a logical representation. It's a blueprint. There is no object for this class. So if you will load this class, student loading means loading their variables, we have whatever members. And the rule is if something is there in the memory, then only we'll get the output of that class. So that's why class is a blueprint template or it's a logical representation of an object. Unless you create an object of this class, you will not get any existence of this class. It will be just like a blueprint. That's why class is a blueprint. So come here. What do you mean by object? Object is a, you can say any real world entity is an object. This is generic definition, general definition. This is for anyone, class level, college level guys, also school level. General definition you can say. But programmatically, now this definition, object is a physical representation of class. Object is a physical representation of class. Now, object, this is first point. Second point, what is that second point? Object and instance both are interchangeable. Either you say object of the class or instance of the class, both are same. That is the meaning of that. Okay. Row object. So here, very note, very much important. So whenever we create an object at the same time, class will get loaded in the memory along with their members. Then only we can get the output. We get the output. So from today, everyone, remember this word loading and unloading. So class will get loaded in the memory, in your Java memory. And when class is getting loaded, when you are writing this command, that time the class is getting loaded. And you're writing, let's say Java C, this is compiling the program, anything, let's say .java. Here compiler is working, but when you write Java A, their class starts loading. Here class starts loading. JVM starts loading the class. Here, while execution, the class is getting loaded at runtime. So here, object is a physical representation of class. It is not a blueprint. It is a real existence. So whenever you want to get the output from the class, you must create an object of that class. Then only this class will get loaded in memory. So here you see, this class does not have any importance in the program, but if you will create an object of this class will get loaded into memory along with their variables. How? Let's say this is your class. Sorry. This is your class and this is your memory. So here, this is your class. Let's say anything I'm writing, whatever. Until that class, let's say student. Here int age is there. A student string name is there. Hello. Here behavior void play. Now the student is playing. Right. SOP student playing. So you know these all data. How can you get the output of this all? So you have to load this class. This is your program, and this is your memory. Here JVM, how once he will load. Where is that? Okay. So first of all, this class should be loaded inside this memory. Loaded means this class student will go along with age will go here, name will come here, age, name, at some specific address. There is some address here. This all class and their members will get loaded into memory. So how to load the class into memory? If and only if you create an object. Loading means this age will assign into memory, this name will get assigned into memory, this play method will get assigned into memory. So that is called loading at some specific address. So then only we'll get the output of the class. So to load the class, what we need to do? We need to create to load this student class, we need to create an object. So that is very important. That's why I've written whenever we create an object, at the same time class will get loaded in the memory along with their members. So whenever you want to load, load the class, first create object. So how to create object? Syntax for creating an object. What is the syntax for creating an object of any class? Here you write class name. Here you write reference variable. Here I am writing in short form. The reference variable equal to new, again class name. And then this one, like this. This is a syntax for creating an object. What is class name? For which you create an object. It is mandatory. Now What is ref variable? This is important. What is ref variable? Reference variable. What does reference variable do? What do you mean by reference variable? So there are two types of variable in the program. In the data variables, I told you what is variable. So what is variable? I told you, right? First, let me which holds the address. Which holds the address of an object. Any class type. Name. Now, I will try to make you understand here what is reference variable. So, like data type is 8, there are two data types. Same way, variable is also two types, two categories. Basic two types. What are that? Primitive variable. Already you know. Reference variable. Or user defined variable. User defined data type. Or, yeah, that's it. User defined. So primitive variable means what? Variable used with primitive data type. Primitive data type is a primitive variable. Let's say here you're writing int age. So what type of variable it is? Age is used with primitive data type. See, long, int, short, byte, character, boolean, these all are primitive data type. So this age is getting used with integer. So this age variable is a primitive variable. Understood? Let's say char c equal to. What is the type of C variable? C is a primitive variable. Yeah, C is a primitive variable. Character, but primitive variable. Because it used with the primitive data type. What is reference or user defined data type or variable? Any variable used with class type. Any variable used with class type. That is called class type. Any variable used with class type. Why it is coming? That is called. I have clicked some button. That's why. Insert button or something. Where is that? INS. Yeah. Yeah. So any variable used with class type. What is? Let's say I am writing here class hello. Class hello. Inside this, if I am writing hello h int x equal to 30. Now you see. What is the type of this variable? What is the type of this variable?
Primitive.
Primitive. X is a primitive variable because it is used with primitive data type. Same way this H is used with which type?
Reference variable.
Because it is used with class type. And say primitive variable always holds the value, but it will always holds the address of the object or a class. So here H is a reference variable. H is a reference variable. Or you can say user defined data type also. Because it is a type of a class. So any variable name used with the class type is a reference variable. And what is the nature of variable? Reference variable, it always holds the address. It always holds the address. Address in the memory. It always holds the address of an object or class, whatever you say. It is always holds the address, but primitive variable always holds the value. It always holds the value. Value. See 30, 40, whatever value it holds. Like literals, real numbers, but it always holds the address in the memory. And how address looks like? How address looks like, I will teach you. So this is reference variable. Reference variable means any class type name. Means any name used with the class type is a reference variable. And what is the nature of the reference variable? It always holds the address of an object. Okay, this is reference variable. Equal is assignment operator. You already know. Assignment operator. And again, new is a operator used to create object. Create object. New is operator in Java. And again, class name is same. So this is how you can create an object. Again, this class name is same. Okay. Same thing. Same for which you create an object. So this is a syntax for creating an object. Right. Now if you go here. Now if you execute this program, you will get output only hello main. So let's go here. CD desktop. I'm already in desktop. CD 7M by Java program. CD 7M morning में Java C company college. No, sorry, company. Company or college? Is it college or company? College. Yeah. Let me little bit. Yeah. So here Java college. So see here we are getting only the output hello main. And this is does not have any importance. This is just like a blueprint or template. So to make it real, to bring it into existence, what we need to do, we need to create an object so that it will get loaded along with their members. So we can create object of this class. How to create? So class name first you should give for which you want to create an object. So this is the class name. And then reference variable, any name you can give. And see st is used with the class type, so it is a reference variable. And equal new, again you should write this one, the class name for which you are creating an object. Now this is complete syntax to create an object. The time you write this statement, this class, from here control will come here. The time you write this statement, complete this statement, from here JVM will switch to here. It will load complete into box. Complete this one into box. So one more thing, where you have to create an object, we should create an object inside a main method. It is not mandatory but highly recommended. Now next question is where to create an object of the class. So answer is inside main method. Reason I will tell you, and here I am writing, it is highly recommended, but not mandatory. Okay. Why we will create object inside a main method? So that because main method always gets loaded first in the memory. Why? Because JVM is specific to main method. Always execution start from main. Your JVM will start identifying the program name if it contains main method. So control starts from here. So if anything you write inside this, that will also get executed and loaded along with main method. Right? Let's say there is some switch in a container. So if you will throw the container, switch will also go along with them. Correct. Same way here. This main method is a VIP. It is a JVM specific. This class is getting loaded because of this main method. It is a specific to JVM. Control always starts from main. JVM will start identifying or loading the class if and only if this class is having main method. So inside main method, if I will create an object along with this class, this will also get loaded into memory same time. Okay. Now, understood this concept or not? Why we should create an object inside main method? Guys, another 2 minutes I will take maximum. Are you all there or left? Okay, fine. Let me do my duty. They will not dispute. So how to access the object? This now from here, control will come here, and these all data will loaded into memory. And here, how to access? How to access the class member? Class member means variable and method. So to access, Control C, the value of here, the value of age equal to, I can write 30. What is that? Age. This is your reference variable, st. st.age. Reference variable. How to access the class member? Reference variable dot access operator dot class member name. This is how you can access outside the class. If you want to access the class member outside the class means I want to access a student class member, age, name, and study outside this student class, means inside main method. So how to access? We should write reference variable dot class member name. So the value of age, I am writing reference variable st. This is my reference variable dot age. Dot is called access operator. Same way, if you want to access name, the value of name equal to here st dot name, right? And you want to call this method. This is also a member of this class study. So reference variable dot method name. So st dot just you write study. That's it. You'll get the output. Now from here, control will come here. It will execute a study method, study like that. Go. And see, we got the output now. Means because this class is loaded, then only we are able to access using reference variable dot operator, and everything is getting executed. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Others?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So practice this, guys. I am telling you, you please practice, and tomorrow we'll do a lot of scenarios on class object. At least 7 scenarios we'll do. Okay.
Sure, sir.
Yeah, I will be
Sure, sir.
sending this program notes, everything, because now one class is started only. And please, even I am late 5-10 minutes, but you people join by 8:05 maximum. So many people join today, and some of the people is joining by 7:30, 7:45, like that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Please join on time. Bye. Bye, everyone. Wish you all Happy New Year.
Happy New
Happy New
Year.
Year, sir.
Happy New
Thank
Year.
you. Thank you.
Sir, where will you get these notes?
We will send you in 10-15 minutes.
Sorry?
We'll send you in 10-15 minutes.
Okay, on the WhatsApp group.
No. In here only, Teams only.
Okay. So I
Here,
just joined.
here.
This is my first class actually. For previous classes, where will I get the notes?
See, previous classes I already shared. Some students can help you. And I will
Okay.
also share to you, don't worry.
Yeah, that will be helpful, sir. Yeah.
So here, see, Teams we have started from 31st. So here I will be sending you all the notes here. So here in chat section, I will be sending you here. After the class, you will get the option attachment. In attachment, I will send it here. So in the same channel, you can check your notes, and recorded video will be coming here only.
Okay. Okay. Done.
Okay. So yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Any
Thank you, sir.
thanks, sir. Any doubt, anyone? Anyone, any doubt? Shall we wind up?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
I will be sharing this on Teams. Don't worry.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye, everyone.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye.
Thanks,
Bye.
sir. Bye.
So here, let me stop.